Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Hani and Tasha, Binti, Sani, and today I will be presenting on a critical issue that affects safety in our homes and communities: electrical short circuits in Malaysian residential areas, their root causes, and how we can address them through effective maintenance strategies. Electrical short circuits are among the most common and dangerous causes of structural fires in Malaysia. These incidents happen when current bypasses the intended circuit path, generating intense heat that can easily ignite surrounding materials. Recent tragic examples including the fire in Kampung China, which destroyed valuable heritage shophouses, and fires at Sempurna Hospital and Hospital Raja Permaisuri Banun, all of which were triggered by short circuits. These events show us that this is not just a technical issue, it's a public safety crisis. According to Bomba, about one-third of fires in 2022 were due to electrical faults, mostly short circuits. The situation is made worse by aging infrastructure, especially in buildings constructed before the 1990s, where the electrical wiring is outdated and often overloaded by modern appliances. On top of that, poor construction practices, unsafe DIY repairs, and the use of substandard components increase the risk of fire. In many cases, home upgrades are made without proper inspection or professional help, creating hidden hazards within walls and ceilings. The causes of short circuits can be traced to technical issues like deteriorating insulation, poor grounding, and overloaded circuits. But there are also human factors, such as hiring unlicensed electricians or modifying systems without safety in mind. Another major concern is the lack of regular inspection. Without proper maintenance, these problems remain undetected until it's too late. So, who is responsible? The answer is everyone involved in the building ecosystem. Developers must ensure electrical systems are installed to code. Homeowners should avoid overloading plugs and hire only certified professionals. Maintenance teams need to perform regularly inspections. And finally, government bodies like Suruhanjaya Tenaga must enforce regulations more strictly. Too often, there's poor coordinations between these groups, which leads to gaps in safety. Next is the solutions. We need to act proactively. The first step is scheduled preventive maintenance, especially in buildings over 10 years old. This includes using tools like thermal imaging and load audits to detect faults early. Secondly, we must upgrade older buildings with modern safety devices like residual current devices and RCDs and smart breakers. These tools can cut power automatically when a fault is detected. Electrical safety monitoring systems should also be used to provide real-time alerts and allow for immediate response. Beyond technical fixes, public education is essential. Many people don't know the risks of overloading sockets or using cheap electrical parts. We can address this through public campaigns, school programs, or digital outreach. On the policy side, compulsory inspections every 5 years for older buildings should be mandated. Financial incentives like tax breaks and renovation loans can encourage compliances. Also, a centralized electrical safety database under Suruhanjaya Tenaga could track inspections, making it easier for homebuyers and insurers to evaluate property safety. To conclude, short circuits are not inevitable, they are preventable. With better maintenance, stronger enforcement, and greater public awareness, we can drastically reduce electrical fires in Malaysia. It is time for all of us, residents, builders, regulators, to take action. Safety must be built into every home, not as an afterthought, but as a priority from the very beginning. Thank you. My name is Hani dari Tasha Binti Sani, and my matrix number is B132410729. Thank you.